Now that we've created a beautiful collage, let's learn how to create a multi-page document. As you can see, this document currently only has one page. You can add a page by clicking on Duplicate or Add Page on the bottom icons. Once you add a page, you can choose a new collage layout, or you can go and change the color of the background and start designing. If you have text that you want to keep consistent, you can go to another page and copy and paste it. That'll help you keep your design style nice and consistent. Another way to stay consistent is by duplicating a page. That way you have the same design and all you need to do is make minor changes. This is great for A/B testing, for Instagram stories, carousels, and more. To delete a page, just click on the garbage icon. You can also preview your pages by clicking on the caret, and you can press play to watch a video of it. Which is good to know because when you export, you can select the pages you want to export, and not only that, but the file type options include MP4, an animated GIF, PDF document, and more. Next up, let's talk about Smart Resize.